Basically, I had to hop on another plane. I'm literally editing the vlog you guys watched from Sacramento. I got booked as I was flying back from Sacramento, so I had to like land home and then come right back out to LA. And got a model booking, some auditions, and let's go. And I got a whip waiting right here. Ooh. Ooh. I'm here. Oh yeah. The Audi Q8. Why did I grab this? Because the same exact platform, same mechanism, the Lamborghini truck. Sunroof, yes. So now we back up out of here and start the day. Let's get it. Plus, I always rent the cars that I'm considering buying, so we kind of test them out beforehand. A test drive never gets the job done. To me, you really gotta like drive it. So now it's haircut mode. Gotta get freshened up. Couldn't get freshened up where I was at. So now we head over to my man AV to get right. Yeah, Andrew is a beast. Look at this. How do you do this? How does this happen? Who cuts hair like this? This is crazy. I'm ready for the photo shoot now. Your boy. Nice modern vibes. I gotta check the room out. Look at that shower. The gold. Nice and calm vibes, chill out vibes. Okay, why would y'all do me like that? You know I got a photo shoot tomorrow. With the chocolate color. Come on, man. Once you pop the phone, man, y'all know the drill, man. It's crazy. It's cool though. Work mode. Photo shoot in 3 hours. So let's do some work before the work. So we're gonna do some work before the work. So we're gonna do some work before the work. Got a modeling booking today in LA. So we're gonna do some cardio. Got a sale going on to buy, be clean, get a big link for free. So I'm gonna go on my story and talk about that. But yeah, there's always a lot of moving parts. You probably already seen the vlog in Sacramento. Yeah, that was literally like days ago. Flew from home to Sacramento, back, then booked this last minute and flew out here. It's a wild life, but I'm thankful for it. It allows me to motivate people, provide for my babies. It allows me to let myself know what's possible. But you always gotta keep the grind in mind when you can't. You gotta realize like why you're here, you know? It's not time to like go to a party in LA and go to a club or something. It's like you gotta remember what got you there. You gotta stay on it. So yeah, here's the sale today. Just buy Be Clean, get a bottle of Be Clean for free. And now just going on Instagram and educating people about what Be Clean does, what Be Clean does. Boom, throw the link in there. Buy clean, get lean for free. Boom. Put that somewhere nice. Make sure they know that they can click on that link. Boom. Send to the story. So now we got, this what just went down. Instagram, what up? Listen, I got a big sale going on today. You know I hopped on here to tell you about a sale. Never did this sale before. Got to market, got to work, post something over there. And personally, I'm going to take some, I'm still fasted right now. It is 3 o'clock. So we're going to take two vitamin C gummies and 2 Be Lean caps and go handle this cardio. Got a photo shoot that I'm actually talking to Matt right now that you saw me out there in Sacramento with. We're working on getting an appearance for the Arnold. The Arnold Expo is coming up. Huge expo in Columbus. And we're working on getting an appearance there. And it's just constant movement. Photo shoot today. Meeting tomorrow. Vlogging. Sale going down. Cardio going down. it's cool. It's so much stuff. But I think the biggest takeaway when someone's asked me about balance was like being calm, being at peace, not doing too much. Like, you don't get here and like go hit everybody. Yo, I'm here. Like posting like, hey, I'm in LA. Like, where are the parties? Where are the women? Like, you don't like. It's not what bosses do. We move really like a ninja. Do what you need to do. You know, you do what you need to do so you can do what you want to do later. Remember why you got here. Remember the work ethic that got you. You're not getting comfortable and not getting, feeling entitled. Like knowing you put in the work and knowing that you're going to get a result out of that work that you put in. But yeah, it's cardio mode. I ain't got much else to say.
Feel like I'm dodging bullshit on the daily. 24, 365, ho, I'm in the matrix.
Shoot for ASRV right now.
What's up? Oh, hey.
That is peak athletic performance. Woo!
Look at that. That looks like a movie.
I see that one.
Great. That's starring Jet Lo.
So the firearm went off. See, you got cut short.
You're in danger.
Shoot got cut short in the stair mode.
Got some good shots though, bro.
That's some great shots. This reminds me of like elementary school, like do not take an elevator. And goes, does this happen all the time? She's like, no! Get the fuck off!
She's like, no, you need to leave.
Matrix.